Did you know once your hamstrings are tight, it can lead to poor posture, low back pain, and a variety of other major issues. Tight hamstrings might be more prone to strain or an injury, but some of the yoga asanas can help you improve hamstring flexibility. Hi guys, today in Yoga for the Soul, we will talk about 3 yoga poses that will help you create a good balance between strengthening and stretching so you could improve hamstring flexibility, relieve tightness, and feel better. Coming down to the first pose, which is Prasarita Padottanasana, or the wide-legged standing forward fold. Extend your arms by your side. Step your feet out to 4 to 4.5 feet apart, keeping them parallel. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward from the hip. Place your palms below the shoulder in line with your feet. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold forward. Keep your elbows soft and neck relaxed as you look in between your knees. Hold for 10 breaths. Inhale, bring hands to the waist and come up. Exhale and release. This yoga pose helps to release stress, anxiety and depression. Moving on to the next pose, which is Supta Padangusthasana, or the reclining hand to big toe pose. Lie down with your back and bend your left knee and place your left foot on the floor, or it can be extended as per your comfort. Then bend your right knee and bring it towards your chest as you grab hold of your big toe. Inhale. Extend your right leg towards the ceiling. Breathe. It's fine to keep a bend in your right knee. Raise your neck to have the forehead come towards the knee. If uncomfortable, place the head back on the floor. Supta Padangusthasana is a great pose as it offers multiple benefits. Some of these are: it makes your hamstrings more flexible and reduces stiffness in the back. It helps in building strong muscles and better toned legs. It can also help in relieving sciatica pain and arthritis pain in the hips and knees. Now the last pose is Pyramid Pose or Parshvottanasana. How to do it? From Tadasana, step your left leg back about 2 to 3 feet, both feet facing right. Keeping your hips facing the front of your mat, ensure that your knees point in the same direction as your toes. Ground through your feet, engage your legs and place your hands in reverse prayer behind your back. Inhale as you lengthen your spine and exhale as you fold forward from the hips. Stop before your back begins to round. Roll your left thigh inward while keeping your right hip back. Hold the pose for 5 to 10 deep breaths before repeating it on the other side. To come out actively, push through the back heel, engage the core and come up with a straight spine. Benefits of Parshvottanasana. This new pose has major benefits. It stretches the legs, hips, spine, shoulders and wrists, improving overall mobility. It also strengthens the legs and core and improves balance and digestion. This pose also stimulates the abdominal organs and digestion and calms the mind. But before that, make sure to consult a medical practitioner before trying this at home to know what is right for you. Before we go, let's take a quick look back to today's video. The poses we spoke about help in improving stress, reduce stiffness and improves overall mobility. Did you try any of these poses to get flexible hamstrings? Let us know your thoughts and keep watching the space for more such content.